I just got this. It is dust-free box series, and it's called the Smart Devil. And we're going to put this on my phone. But first we got to unbox it. Let's see what's in here, okay? So when we open it up, you'll notice that there's two parts to it. Let's take a look at this first part. This is the Smart Devil. Smart Devil, we offer better protection. Okay, I'm for that. Turn some lights on so we can see better. And on the back is a QR code, all right? And this is the envelope for the bag of accessories. So you scan the QR code to activate the membership, extend the after-sales period by 2 years. So supposedly it protects your phone for 2 years. So in here we have, it looks like 3 of these. All right. This is the Smart Devil Film Installation Toolkit. So you got 1, you got 2, and you got 3 of them. All right, so we know what that is. All right, here is your dust-free box series. So let's open her up. Okay, so this is what's inside. And I believe we've got 1, 2, 3 of these. So if you look, you're going to see it. You're going to see that there's 3 of these doohickeys on here. And so we may have to do a little bit of reading. All right, so here is our little thing that we get with this. It kind of tells us, dust-free box series instructions. Please carefully read these instructions before you attempt to use this. Okay, so to read the instructions, I think we're going to need to open this up to the center, and it kind of tells us what to do. Okay, so I think we got it. The first thing we got to do is we got to clean our screen. So we've got to open this up. And let's see, it says cleaning wipe, then dry wipe for screen cleaner, and then dust sticker. So you go 1, 2, 3. And they should have it on the packages. So when we open this up, you should see it in here on each one. All right, so let's take a look and see what we got. All right, so let's pull, this is 3. This is 1. So we're going to go with the 1 first, okay? And just set that over to the side. So the first thing we need to do is wipe the screen and dirt. So we're going to go ahead. I should probably wash my hands first. Let me go do that. All right, I'm back. Got the hands nice and washed. We're going to take this out. And first thing we're going to do is open her up. And we're going to wipe the screen down, okay? So here we go. We're getting it nice and wipey, cleaning it really good. You follow me? Just like that. I'm getting all the edges. I'm trying not to get my stupid greasy fingers on it. But I think we're doing pretty good. You can see there's some residue, right? So that's that. That's number 1. Right, this is number 3. Number 3 we don't do yet. We put that over there. But we take this. This is number 2. So now we got to dry it all, right? Get it all nice and dry. It shouldn't take too long, right? It should be pretty easy. But I just want to make sure we get it good and clean. Because the key thing is to have it super clean. So I think that's good, right? And then the last thing is this static dust thing. So I think we could take this off of here. This is sticky. I don't know. I don't know if we need this. I'm just not even going to do it. All right, because I'm looking on here, I don't really see a lot of dust particles. I think we're good. So we're just going to skip that. They're probably going to be pissed at me for doing that. All right, then I'm going to take these 2 out of here and just leave the 1, okay? So now what I've got to do is I got to flip this over, right? And I'm just going to set this in here like this, just like that, and push it down firmly, okay? And so now I've got it in there. I'm going to take this, I'm going to shut this and hold it, right? Because that's holding it down. And then I'm just going to pull this nice and steady. Bam, done. So now it should be on there, but we got to give it about 5 seconds. This is so much easier than the other ones that I've done, I've got to say. I'm hoping it works good, but we'll find out in a second. So we're just going to wait like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we're good. And now we should be able to pop it off. And we're supposed to pull it up from here. There it is. Bam, done. Look at that. Now we got a protective screen on there. And you can see it up here, how it is. And it's perfect. We don't see the thing about this, when you buy these, sometimes you can't get it right. But this one is perfect on there. And let's just tap it. Oh yeah, so it's definitely responsive, right? Oh, can't show you that. All right, so bam, yeah, it's working. Look at, works great. All right, and I think it's going to be a good, viable way to protect your phone. So if you drop it, you're good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this, like with the Smart Devil in the Dust Free Box series. Oh, and just so you guys know, when you're done, you want to put your other, because you get 3 of these, all right? So put them back in here, and you got to smush this one down. You got to smush this down on here, right here. You see that? You got to make sure you get it on this part right here. And this one here, you just lay on top, because you're going to pull that one out. But the next time you do it, you'll have that other one on there. Let me see if I got it all the way down. Yeah, you got to get it all the way down there. And then we're ready to go. Now we can just go ahead and put this away until we need to do another phone. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out.